Let us revise some applications of trigonometry in 3 minutes. Here, the two concepts are very important, that is angle of elevation and angle of depression. Here, if the person is standing and seeing the tip of the building, then the angle, the horizontal line and the line of sight between this, whatever the angle is there, that angle is called angle of elevation. And if the person is standing on the top of the building and seeing down, if any object he is seeing down, then the angle between the horizontal line and then the line of sight is called angle of depression. Here we are going to discuss two examples. In that, the first example is this one. The angle of elevation of top of a lighthouse is 45 degree. So if this is a lighthouse, and then angle of a elevation top of a lighthouse from a boat is 45 degree when viewed from a ship. If the lighthouse height is 75 meter, how far is ship from the lighthouse? How far is the ship from the lighthouse? That we have to calculate. And then here we can apply tan 45 degree, that is tan of this angle, that is opposite by adjacent, that is BC by AB. And then here tan 45 value is 1, and then BC is nothing but the height of the lighthouse, that is 75, and then AB divided by AB. AB is nothing but the distance between the boat and the base of the lighthouse, that is AB into 1 is AB. AB is equal to 75 meter, that is the distance between the base of the lighthouse and the boat is 75 meter. And then we can discuss another example, that is an aeroplane is flying at a height of 9000 meter above the ground, and then here the angle of depression of a runway light from the plane is 30 degree, means here the horizontal and then this is the line of sight, between this the angle of depression is 30 degree. And what is the distance of the plane from the light at this moment, means the distance of the light from the plane, that is AC, that we have to calculate. And here we can apply, if this is 30 degree, this is 30 degree, because alternate interior angles, and then sine of 30 degree is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse, that is BC by AC. And then here sine 30 is 1 by 2, and then BC is 9000 and divided by AC, and then you just cross multiply this. AC into 1 is AC and 9000 into 2 is 18,000 meter, that is the distance from the light from the plane is 18,000 meter.